Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, let us see how to calculate pricing for AWS resources that I gonna create. Before logging to AWS only, I am expecting to calculate the price. So based on that price, if I am affordable and if I feel that is less, then only I prefer to choose AWS, right? Yes. So before creating my infrastructure in AWS, now I am expecting to check. I am expecting to, before moving into AWS, to host my servers in AWS, first I need to check the price and then I want to create my servers there. So for that, is there any option for me available to calculate? So how much amount of cost will be mounted on me if I create my web servers by using AWS services? Yes, there is a service for you available where by using that you can able to identify the price of your servers. How much I will be charged. So that I want to know from this video. From this video, I want to show you how to calculate price. Even you can share that as well. So to calculate pricing, AWS already provided you a pricing calculator. So for searching that, I opened Google and I typed AWS pricing calculator. You can see I am just searching for that. You can see the first link I got with a URL, that is https calculator.aws. Now I'm opening that. So this is where you can able to calculate your services cost incurred on you whenever you use any service in AWS. Now you can see the first option, that is a create estimation, right? Yes, you just click there to create estimation for your AWS services and you can able to estimate the cost at last. Now I'm just clicking on create estimation. Even you can see we haven't logged into AWS management console. We just moving on with the pricing calculator, right? Yes. So now what I'm expecting, I'm expecting to create one estimation. So for that, I'm moving on back to this my estimations. I'm clicking on my estimations. Here you can see an option is there, that is add service. This add service or this create group will create me a group. Now I'm just creating a group. So with name web servers, cost estimation. So I'm providing the name like this. I'm creating a group. Now you can see a group is created successfully. We are inside that group. We are inside that group. Now in this, I want to add some services and find the cost that is mounted on those services. So for that, now what I'm doing, I want to add services, right? Yes. So now I'm clicking on add service. You can see, so currently for us, the upfront cost is 0 and monthly cost is 0. Totally 12 months cost is also 0. Now I want to add servers. So since where I host my website on top of web servers only, right? Yes. So in AWS, which service we use as web servers? EC2 instance we use as web servers, right? Yes. So that I want to check the cost for that EC2 instances. Before that, you need to choose in which region you want to create your servers. Based on the region as well, your cost may vary. So please choose the region based on which region you are hosting your servers. Currently, I'm choosing US East. Now you can see I'm finding one service that is EC2. Now I'm clicking on configuring this EC2. Now you can see totally monthly cost is for default option. The total monthly cost is $1.53, 53 US dollars. Now based on my requirement, I may change, right? Yes, we can able to change the options as well. I want to use the shared tendency model only for creating EC2 instance. I am using the shared tendency. That's okay. And operating system is Linux. That's okay. And workloads. So workloads. So when do you get the workload? That is a, so what about workload? How many requests you are getting? How the requests will be? So that indicates this workload. If we are getting constant usage, then choose this. Otherwise, you are getting a daily spike traffic, then choose this. Or else weekly spike traffic or monthly spike traffic, then choose these two. So let's say, I don't know, some days I may get a very high spikes and some days the traffic to my website will be less. So that's why, since I don't know exactly how the spikes will be in a day, I'm choosing daily spikes. So I'm choosing this daily spikes. So in which days do I get the spikes? I need to select here. So let us say I don't know when do I get spikes. So that's why I selected all days, right? Yes. This baseline that indicates, so base, so at least how many instances you need to run. At least how many instances you need to run. So for me, I want to run at least 2 instances. Let's say if my spikes are increased, then based on that, I want to launch 2 more servers. That is totally 4. Max 4 servers I will launch. Or else if 2 are enough, then I will choose with 2. That's it. So that's why I provided baseline as 2 and peak as 4. Now the maximum peak hours. So how much time do I get the peak hours? That is how much time I get a lot of traffic. That is the traffic which is more than 2 instances. 2 servers are unable to manage the traffic. We require more servers. Like that, if we are getting traffic, then how much time, that peak time we need to mention here. So I'm mentioning it as 8 hours 30 minutes. Now you can see we need to select the instance type. Here I'm searching for T3 or else a T2 micro. I want to move on with the T2 family. So in instances family, I'm choosing a particular instance that is a T2. CPUs, if you have any specification, then select it. And memory, if you have any specification, then select it. And network preference also, there will be selection available for you. Currently, I'm moving on with the T2 medium. It provides me 2 virtual CPUs and 4 GB memory. Its storage is EBS only, right? Yes. So its on-demand cost is 0.0464 hourly. Now you can see our total cost will be 57 US dollars per month. Per month. Now the payment options. How I am paying for my EC2 instance. So currently I'm expected to moving on with on-demand payment. If you select this on-demand, then it will charge you more. If you select on-demand or spot instances, you can see approximately more you will be charged. Whereas if you choose compute saving plans or EC2 instance saving plans, you will be charged less. So currently I want to move on with the on-demand pricing and other purchase options. So currently I'm moving on with the compute saving plans because it provides me high discount, and since I need to maintain my servers for a lot of time to reduce the cost with getting a lot of discount, I'm moving with this. You can see this charge will be very less. Monthly 16.86, right? Yes. So these are other purchase options. If you choose this standard reserved instances, you will be charged less, or else if you want convertible reserved instances, you will be charged somewhat more. You can even see the calculations till now based on the need that you provided. Calculations till now for what, how much you will be cost. Now I want to even choose the EBS storage related configurations. I want to take a GB3 and the amount of storage. Let's say I want 10 GB. So each and every, since it's a company, I want to make some more. That is a, yeah, I want to move on with let's say 20 GB. Now I do not want any snapshots. Yeah, so that's it. If you want any data transfer, then you also need to include that as well. So for my servers, I will get a incoming traffic, right? Yes. So who are the users using it? They'll they will lead to incoming traffic. So that's why I'm selecting this as internet free. The amount of GB that is uploaded or that is incoming to my server is, let's say, 10 GB or else 1 GB. Let's take 1 TB. And outgoing traffic, am I allowing through internet? And let's say it is some 100 GB, or else you can take it as a 10 GB per month. Per month, I'm providing these details. So that's it. We provided the details regarding our servers. So how many web servers are there, and what is the instance type, what is the pricing model, and what is the storage that I'm using, how much I'm using for that instance, and data traffic that is getting into it and moving out of it, I have listed. So at last, I want to see the cost. You can see that is totally 62.96 US dollars per month, right? Yes. So now I'm just clicking on save and add service. You can see successfully added EC2 estimation, right? Yes. Now, currently, I don't want to add anymore. I want to see the cost of that estimation. You can see this is the cost. This is the cost for monthly and this is the cost for yearly. So if I run, that is a minimum of 2 servers and maximum of four servers based on my peak times, then I will be charged this much amount monthly and this much amount yearly. So you can see we have even calculated the cost of maintaining our server by using this pricing calculator. You can able to calculate the cost of not only EC2 instance, you can even calculate the cost of other services as well. So this is just a sample to show you. And even you can able to share, this by using the option. There is an option that is share. By using this share option, you can able to create a link as well. Agree and continue. Just you can see it will create you a link. You just copy it, then it will provide you that particular report. You can even share it to any others. Now I'm just pasting that link here and entering that. So those who pasted this link on browser, they'll get the cost estimation for the web services that you created. You can see for these web services, the cost is this, right? Yes. So this is how you can able to estimate the cost by using pricing calculator for all the services. If any service you are using, for that you can able to calculate the cost, that is upfront cost, monthly cost, and total year-wise cost as well from here by using pricing calculator. So I hope you understood this video and you got a knowledge regarding how to calculate the price by using this Amazon pricing calculator hands-on. And you can even able to calculate these results whenever you require to create your own servers or whenever you are required to create your own infrastructure. So not only one, you can even add multiple services to it. Currently, I want to show you regarding servers only. So that's why I added only that. If you have any requirement of much more, then you need to add them and provide the appropriate configuration so that you will get the cost incurred on that service. So in this way, you can able to calculate the price of AWS services that you are using. By using this pricing calculator, AWS pricing calculator, you can able to calculate the cost. So I hope this video is useful and you got some knowledge regarding how to calculate your price of AWS infrastructure that you are going to create. So I hope this video is useful. If you feel this video is useful, then please like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thanks for watching. Again, see you back in the next video. Until then, bye bye, guys.